Good morning, students. Welcome back in online classes of NPGI. Student, this is your S.st class, and today we are going to study history of class 6 and your chapter name is From Hunting Gathering to Growing Fruit. Students, in this chapter we will study about how early man is starting to gathering the fruits and how they started to growing fruits and vegetables for the human beings. So students, our first topic is the earliest people. Why were they on move? Mean to say that the earliest people, why they move one place to another place. Student, early peoples were hunter and gatherers. In short, we can say that they live a nomadic life. They stay one place for some times and then move to next place for their livelihood. We know about people who lived in subcontinent as earlier as 2 million years ago. Mean to say that the earlier people live the subcontinents parts of the India near about 2 million years ago. Today, we describe them as a hunter and gatherers. They also known as hunters and gatherers. The name comes from the way in which they got their food. They called hunter and gatherers because they collect their food from hunting and gathering of animals and fruits. Generally, they hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, and eggs. Now they hunting the animals, they caught fish and birds, and they also collect fruits, roots of plants and seeds, and they also collect the stock and eggs for their livelihoods and their earnings. Now, hunter gatherers move one place to another. There were many reasons for this. They move one place to another place for many purpose. Their first purpose that if they had stayed at one place for a long time, they would have to eaten up all the available plants and animal resources. Mean to say that if the earliest peoples stay one place for a long time, there was no other things for eaten for them, so they move one place to another place after sometimes. Now, second, animals move from place to place either in search of smaller prey or in the case of deer and wildcatters. In for searching their livelihood, they also move with their animals so that they can earn their livelihood and they can earn more and more eating things for them in search of grass and leaves. That is why they who hunted them had to follow their movement. Now the peoples, hunters and gatherers and known as nomadic peoples, turn to one place to another place in search of food, shelters and their livelihood. So students, rest part of this chapter we will study in next video. Thank you.